Today we're making a coconut chicken curry with aromatic basmati rice. I think you're gonna really enjoy this meal because it is so comforting, satisfying, and the taste is amazing. This is not a traditional recipe, and you can pretty much substitute for any other vegetable you have laying around in your fridge. It's one of our go-to meals for colder days. It tastes even better in days to come, and you can make a bigger batch of it and freeze it as well. In a heavy pan, heat about a teaspoon of coconut oil over medium heat. When the pot is hot, add in about a cup of each finely chopped onions, carrots, and bell peppers. Saute the vegetables for about a minute and then add in all the aromatic spices. There are quite a few spices, so bear with me. 2 tablespoons of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, a generous pinch of salt, and grated ginger. This is about a 4-inch piece. Frying spices in oil really enhances their natural flavors, and it makes them a lot more aromatic and bold. Let these simmer for a few minutes so all the flavors have a chance to come together. In the meantime, heat up some coconut oil in another skillet and add boneless chicken thighs. I have about 1 pound here. I've already cut these up into bite-sized pieces. Normally, I don't like to dirty up extra pots and pans, but this is important to seal the chicken by folding it in a couple of times so that it stays soft and juicy. You know that the sealing process is complete when it turns white on both sides. This is obviously raw inside, so it's going to continue cooking here, but this is just going to lock in the moisture. Now that the chicken pieces are sealed, add them into the vegetable and spice mixture. Additionally, add 2 medium-sized cube sweet potatoes, 2 cups of full-fat organic coconut cream, 2 teaspoons of red curry paste. Here I'm using Thai curry paste. Stir everything together really well. Now that everything comes to the boil, you can cover it up, lower your temperature to low, and cook for about 30 minutes. Now, while the curry is cooking, let's prepare our basmati rice. I'm making a bigger batch as we'll be eating this for a few days, so feel free to cut the quantities in half. Into a pot, add 3 cups of water and a pinch of salt. Rinse 2 cups of basmati rice until the water runs clear, and add it into the pot as soon as the water boils. Cover it with the lid, reduce the heat to low, and let it cook for about 15 minutes. Basmati rice varies in taste and texture, so always check on the back of the package for exact preparation instructions. After 15 minutes, give the rice a taste, and if it's to your liking, remove it from the heat, fluff it with the fork, and, very important step, put a damp cotton towel over the top and cover it with the lid. It's going to absorb the condensation coming off of the rice, so it stays nice and fluffy. Okay, the last thing you're going to need is chickpeas. Today I'm using organic canned chickpeas to save time, but if you prefer to make yours from scratch, that's always great. Give them a good rinse and add them into the curry after it's been cooking for about 30 minutes. And at this point, cook it for 3 more minutes or so. I love serving this curry over a batter of aromatic basmati rice with fresh cilantro, avocado slices, and lime juice over the top. Trust me, it makes all the difference, so if you have these ingredients around, definitely try it. I've yet to make this curry in the exact same way twice. I usually keep the sauce and the spices about the same, but use whatever veggies I have on hand. You can use cauliflower, broccoli, zucchini, eggplant, or whatever your heart desires, but this exact recipe will be listed in the description box below. Give this video a like if you enjoy watching it, and if you're brand new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!